Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Scionti from the Scionti Prostate Center in Sarasota, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about the CPT code for HIFU for prostate cancer. Now the news is exciting. There's been some real changes in this year, and now at the end of 2022, looking to 2023, I think the future is really exciting for reimbursement for our patients. Now, HIFU was approved by the FDA in October of 2015 for prostate tissue ablation. Now, since that time, there have been thousands of men throughout the United States who have undergone HIFU treatment for their prostate cancer. For many years, men were paying out of their pocket for the entire procedure. There was no possibility of insurance reimbursement. That began to change in January of 2021 with the introduction of a CPT code. Now, a CPT code stands for Common Procedural Terminology. That's a numeric code which describes to an insurance company or to Medicare exactly what a procedure is. So every medical service or treatment has a code associated with it, and that's well recognized by insurers. Now, the CPT code for HIFU is 55880. That code is recognized almost by every Medicare carrier in the United States. So now I want to talk to my Medicare patients. For my Medicare patients, this is really good news because that code will be recognized by most Medicare plans. What that means for you as a patient is that there's at least a good possibility of insurance reimbursement by Medicare for HIFU treatment for your prostate cancer. Now, the Scionti Prostate Center is a concierge, personalized program, and although our center does not accept Medicare, our Medicare patients who have a HIFU procedure can fully expect that their HIFU procedure will have the hospital costs and the anesthesia costs covered by their Medicare plan. Most Medicare plans now recognize the procedure, and the hospital where my patients are treated at the Lakewood Ranch Medical Center here in Florida fully participates with Medicare and fully accepts the Medicare payments. So Medicare patients today, under my care, who have a HIFU procedure can have a significant part of their costs covered by their Medicare plan, and certainly the Scionti Prostate Center services are still uncovered as we're not participatory with the Medicare plan. That's a great change from what it was years ago. Now, for our commercial insurance patients, our younger men who have Blue Cross, United, Cigna, Aetna, or any of the other commercial insurance carriers, the situation is still unclear. Many of these carriers are beginning to recognize HIFU, and in fact, with an attempt to authorize benefits, we're seeing some success. Many patients are having more success on appealing their procedure if it's initially denied by their insurance company. The key is at the Scionti Prostate Center, we have a dedicated team of insurance reimbursement assistants who will help determine whether or not your procedure will be covered, at least in part. And if it's denied, we'll work with you and your insurer to try and help you get an appeal, try and get coverage. So the news is changing. I expect as we go into 2023 and beyond, we'll see better coverage. But there's still a number of patients who are not going to be covered, and if they decide to have a HIFU procedure, that is going to be an out-of-pocket expense. At the Scionti Prostate Center, I am dedicated to working with our patients. Our entire team believes that HIFU is a very appropriate treatment for prostate cancer for selected patients. And if you're one of those patients who has the disease characteristics, the right qualifications, we will work with you to help minimize your out-of-pocket expenses. To find out whether or not you're a candidate for HIFU, please call our center or visit our website at sciontiprostatecenter.com. I will personally review any information that you send to us and be happy to talk to you about whether or not you qualify for HIFU treatment for your prostate cancer.